It's the end of the month again, so we're going to update you on everything that's been going on here at the ranch.
And we're going to do that
right now.
Hi, this is Todd.
And Jessica from Sniping Rhino Ranch. And in today's video, we're going to let you know everything that's been going on here at the ranch during the month of September.
And as always, we're going to end with a channel shout out. But first, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead related videos. That being said, let's get into the video.
So let's look at September. I guess we'll start with the easy thing, and that is the garden. Easy because I did nothing. After the surgery and, healing from that, I just pretty much let it go. And what I did have still in the one garden, the piglets got into and killed it all. So we just kind of let it go. So the gardens were nothing. We ended the shed wars and are hopefully doing it next year. And we really are looking forward to, changes we can make in the garden next year and things that we can do better to, increase even more. And, we came a long way from last year, so hoping to get gains again next year. The other thing that I have been doing is homeschool. And, Michael's full swing his sophomore year. Stefan, last year, around Christmas time, we realized that he was going to be done, actually before Christmas time, we realized that he would finish everything for 7th grade by Christmas or New Year's. So we decided to put him through 7th and 8th. So he actually will finish 8th grade this month and begin 9th grade in October, and then he'll do all of 9th grade to put him, well, it will result in a year ahead, but we've just been pushing hard with school, and that's pretty much all that I have been doing besides recovering.
So I guess it's time to talk about animals and I guess the rest of what's been going on out here at the homestead. With animals, we're pretty much been maintaining on most of them. The two, I guess, things that we've really done some stuff with, we sold off the last, the last piglet. We sold 3 or 4 this month. Got rid of those. We're still keeping 2. I guess that brings our total to 6 pigs we have. Our mating pair, 2 that are getting ready to get butchered, and then 2 that will get butchered next year. And then bees, getting ready for the winter time. Normally we get into our hives every couple weeks. The last 2 months, with everything going on with Jessica, I just let the bees go. And it was about 7-8 weeks before I got into the hive. So our bee area was all overgrown. When we went through, we had 7 hives, and we found 2 of the hives were pretty weak, so we made the decision to combine them. There is a video on that. What's not on the video is, I guess I didn't have the proper protective equipment on properly, and I just got hammered during one of my checks and kind of had an allergic reaction. And so I guess that's something we'll be looking forward to the remaining of this year to see if that continues with me having allergic reactions, and then figure out what we're going to do with that, I guess next year, what we're going to do with the bees, because not really keen on getting rid of them. Other than that, the big thing that's been causing a lot of stuff to kind of fall by the wayside is getting ready for deer hunting, which will start next month with muzzle loaders. So we just got our cameras out. We've been, shooting weapons, just making sure they're sighted in and everything. One of the things that made it easy with everything going on for us is we had ammunition for our stuff. If you're somebody who waits till the last minute, depending on what type of ammo you need, you might not be able to find it with the ammo shortage going on. But other than that, it's just been a standard homestead month out here at the ranch. Okay, now it's time for our channel shout-outs. And I want to begin by apologizing to all the channels that normally interact with us or that we normally interact with. I have not done a good job, or we have not done a good job of being active on YouTube this month or the month previous. Just with everything going on, I haven't been watching a lot of videos and I haven't been interacting. So going to try to do better, but I want to begin by apologizing to all the different channels that we interact with that haven't heard from us in a month or two. That being said, the winner of this month's channel shout out is, of course, The Adventures of Frank and Tina. They're an amazing channel. Frank is absolutely hilarious, and they've really supported us, through prayers and uplifting comments, and even, doing shout outs in their videos ever since Jess kind of got sick and ended up in the hospital. So big thank you to them, and if you haven't seen their channel, go check them out. Because we've done a shout out to them before, we're going to do a couple, two runners-up channel shout-outs. The first one's going to be Voon Chili. She's been watching a bunch of our videos and leaving comments, so thank you. And if you haven't checked out her YouTube channel, go check it out. We'll have a link in the description or somewhere up around here or down here that way. And then also Sweetwater Diaries as well. They've got 100 and some subscribers, and they've interacted with us quite a bit, and again, they also have some great content on their channel as well, so go check them out. And again, we'll have a link somewhere. I'm not really sure, but it'll be somewhere. But that being said, I guess it's time to end this video.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, hit the like button, leave a comment, let us know how your month is going.
And as always, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead related videos. That being said, this is Todd
And Jessica from Sniping, Rhino saying,
have a great day.